Keem team, what it do? Welcome to Keem's Garage. I'm your host, Keem the New Kid. Back at y'all with one more video. Now, we're gonna do a morning coffee run in the Audi S5. The B9 Audi S5, might I add. Just want to give a shout out to SR Auto Group for lending this to me in Quincy, Massachusetts. Gonna be going to some Dunkin' in classic New England fashion. Before we give this back to our friends at SR Auto Group, I don't want to push this too hard. I did spend a bit of time getting it to warm up. I don't know how long I should wait. Should I wait longer? I tend to be more careful warming up cars with any kind of forced induction, whether it be turbocharger or supercharger. Oh my gosh, these speed bumps. Handles them pretty well for a car that's low to the ground. I mean, it is in comfort mode. I don't know how much this car beefs up the suspension when it's in dynamic mode or any other driving mode. Oh wow, the potholes are really bad around here. Oh wow. I'd say my first time reviewing the car, it went pretty well. I can't complain. See, I took out the Grenada boxing gloves from my car, put them in here. A small detail that I'll try to remember other car reviews in the future. Okay, now it's starting to warm up just a little bit. I usually just wait until the revs drop, but my car is naturally aspirated. It doesn't have a turbo or a supercharger, so I don't know if it's different for any other kind of car. See, that sign is flashing, but school is on break. Does that apply? I don't know. think we're approaching Dunkin' Donuts somewhere along this street. And there it is. See, just a chill little commute. You know, nothing too crazy. All right, I don't want to record when I'm going inside. You know, I don't want to seem weird. I already get enough weird looks as it is. Look at this old man parking right next to me. And I'll see you guys when I get back out. All right, so we are back in the Audi. Let me just put my microphone back on. You might notice that we're nowhere near Dunkin' Donuts. That's because I realized my camera needed charging, so I plugged it into the car and charged it on the way to Braintree. Now we're gonna try to figure out our way to, what's it called? Oh, wow, the gloves are in the way. I did not think that through. Oh, 9 minutes to go 3 miles. Okay, that's not bad. I am gonna have to move the Grenada gloves out of the way. I have to take these back with me anyway. Put all the stuff back in the car while I'm at it. Be respectful of other people's stuff. Take out the parking brake, put it in drive, and we are out of here. Oh wow, and it sent me in the wrong direction. Let's just do the little wrap around. I let a round wrap, how you get around that. If you know where that reference is from. That video is hilarious, dude. One thing I did notice about this car, thankfully it has blind spot monitoring. But the B pillar, I don't like how much it blocks my blind spot. Even when I look back, I still can't quite see. Now, I understand this is a two-door coupe. It doesn't have the visibility of the Honda, but it is what it is. Just something I want to know. Golly. Whoa, whoa, what are you doing? Then we're gonna end the video right about, I'll pull up a little more. End the video right about here. Seems like an okay place to stop. Put the hazards on. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. And this is the last that we'll see the S5. Shout out to SR Auto Group once again. If you guys like what you see, hit the like button, comment down below if you're new, comment what you'd like to see, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, drive safe, and take care.